Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to drive an automatic car. Make sure you watch until the very end so you don't miss any important tips. Let's get started. Starting and moving forward. Step 1, sit in the driver's seat, lock your doors, fasten your seatbelt, and adjust your side and rear view mirrors. Step 2, press down firmly on the brake pedal using only your right foot, and start the engine using the key or push button start. Step 3, keeping your foot pressed on the brake, shift the gear lever from park down into drive and disengage your parking brake. Step 4, check your mirrors and blind spots, then slowly lift your foot off the brake to creep forward, pressing the gas pedal gently to accelerate. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope this helped you understand how to drive an automatic car. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe for more simple driving tips.